Perfect. So we have we have the claim reward. Perfect for the gem. That's important. We got the mission. We got this. Why am I excited? Because this is gonna be huge for the rest. We don't have anything. We don't have anything for the lab, so that's gonna be important, right? We got the 15. We got the 15. Perfect. We got the third thing for the whatchamacallit, the third thing for the guild. So we got medals, 150, baby. So we're able to buy this. We got two weekly mission, which give us not only more stones, which are going to be able to increase. Should I increase duration or size? Let's increase duration. No, I have one left, which also increase the number of cards we can buy from 40 to 60. That means we're gonna need two more. I'll forget it, but still. So that's good. Inner mine, Tinkayu. And we also need to merge. Merge. I can only merge two here because I didn't know. And I merged them a couple of days ago. So that's good. That's good. Milestone is good. Okay, perfect. So we have 125 milli. The goal would be to also buy here the. That's tough, dude. The goal would also be to buy here the wall, but I can buy super critical hits, and if I can buy super critical hits, I'm gonna be increasing my death wall, which is the strongest. Chance for super critical hits, if super critical chance, critical hit chance succeed, super critical chance for critical if critical hit succeed, and multiplier, super critical hit multiplier. So that would be creating a lot because it's gonna be increasing everything else, which is kind of important. And that is important. So I think this is pretty much it, right? Did you forget something? Oh yes, we forgot this. Let's see what we can increase here. My apologies. Ally would be good. It would be good. There's next to nothing that we done. So we'll do the cooldown. I could do one level, but still. Okay, good. So perfect. So let's check it out. The goal is to get ready to when we have the next playthrough. So this is gonna be important. So that's good. And Tower Talk is done. Tower Talk is done. Nice. Hell yeah. Perfect. So now we have 47. 47. Okay, so this is not working. Shit. Yeah, I should have checked that out before. Okay, good. We're gonna add the timer because the air fryer right now is working. I got 44 seconds, so we have to hurry. Let's say 47:50. Let's get this recording. Perfect. We'll increase it by 10 minutes because I need 8 minutes to cook the wings. Good. I look around me. No one seems to see. Perfect. Holy. That's already done, which is great. I'm not sure which one we're gonna eat today. I mean, anything would be good. Honestly, anything would be good. People going nowhere. Forgot to increase it. Oh, forgot to do that. Shit. Make a mistake, Slinky. Expecting sympathy. Good. That's good. Perfect. Okay, let's go. So that is done, which is great. Okay, perfect. Okay. What does he say? Okay. Strategy battling colon cancer. First of all, colon cancer. I don't know if ladies can have that, bro. So before you can, before we make this, colon cancer for woman. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, good. Next. Why would I be joking? Like that's myself. You have not any shame at all, dude. Okay, like, do you think that's okay? Like, bro, what's up with you? I really hope you can change your way before making accusation. Did that make you feel better about yourself? That's it. Okay, that's it. Do I feel bad? No. because I think the guy is joking. If the guy isn't joking, well, I don't think asking a stranger for shout outs is a way to make your sister feel better. Be there for her. Show her love, show her support. And in any ways you can. And that is important, right? The rest doesn't matter. And, dude, I think you're a bit lonely, right? I think you're a bit lonely. You're a bit lonely, bro. Because you're insisting a lot. Now, we're gonna go and get our meal. We're gonna get our cooking ready. And we're gonna get our snacks tasted. I'm excited about that. Good, 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 good. Je t'adore. I'm hungry too. I'm hungry. Not sure which one we're gonna cook. Not sure which one. Of course, if it's true, I feel bad, but there's more chances that it's not true than it is true. And yeah, if it is not true, shame on the person that makes a joke about that. Okay, let's go. I'm wearing the comfiest things. I got pants on that are sweatpants that are super comfy. Tonight, I don't know if there's a Fortnite updates. I feel like there is. If I can play Fortnite tonight, I will be happy. Okay. Good. Nice. Okay, so this, what is this? We have 12 minutes. It's jumping up 18%. Can you believe that stuff? My only fear is that we got an 18%, which doesn't give me time to eat, which doesn't give me time to do anything. Now, ultimately speaking, if it finishes cooking before I can eat here, it's not a big deal. But if it doesn't, then we're kind of fucked. We are kind of fucked. Right? Kind of fucked. Do. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's see if we can get something on TV. Because why not? Life is what happened while you're busy making your excuses. You know what's crazy? I always thought myself for singing, right? I always thought I was not the greatest singer. Am I saying that I'm the greatest? No. I'm not saying I'm the greatest at all. I'm pretty shitty, right? But and I would hear some people say, hey, you're a good singer. I was like, really? And I didn't want to believe in it because I was like, okay, I'm hard on myself. So then, yesterday I was doing editing, and I heard myself sing because we sing every single day. And because I heard myself sing, I was like, okay, well, dude, this is actually pretty freaking good. And I was happy about that because I was like, okay, well, that's something I'm excited about. See, spend your whole life. Now, ultimately speaking, what I think is going on is because I think we're doing more and more and more. So of course, like everything, it's a muscle. It builds itself. So I think we got better with practice, and I feel like I was too cautious or too insecure to try it out myself, to really practice and try it and try it and try it and try it. And the fact that we did succeed in that is, I'm not successful yet, but still. And that's we're practicing like a muscle. I got better. So am I better than I was 2 months ago? Yes. Are we reaching a peak? I don't freaking know. Because there's a peak. There is such a thing as a peak. And yeah. Did we watch The Little Woman in New York? I feel like doing that. I feel like doing that. I feel like this is what we need. Bro, we got Pinocchio. There's no H. There's one C, there's no H. And Pinocchio was a freaking G. Pinocchio was a freaking G, dude. Are you kidding me? The first doll that came to life, right? Before Chucky. Before Megan. Huh? And Geppetto. Let me tell you about Geppetto. Geppetto is father, the most talented artisan in the freaking village, bro. In the freaking village. What did your dad do, bro? Nothing. Nothing. How's work? Tu, 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 tu. My favorite flower.
A real job. I want what's best for David, and to be honest, I don't want to see him, having his health deteriorate because he's working 80 hours a week to just
Don problematic.
and pursue a career that's going nowhere. That's not realistic in my mind. Since she's family, this affects me too.
My God, we got some embarrassing moment today.
Moving up the ladder.
So, Carly, she's in Florida right now, and she sent me pictures of the beach, and she sent me a picture of palm trees, and I didn't know that palm tree created coconuts. Like, what the hell? What does this palm tree look like? It like a coconut tree, and like because it is, and I didn't know that the palm tree was a coconut tree. I didn't know that, which is possibly very embarrassing. But look at a banana tree, gets you banana. Look at a apple tree, gets you apple. A pear tree gives you pears. Pears. I don't know what you call it.
John, were you a lawyer when you first started? No. You had to work at the bank, right?
Good.
That's what I'm talking about. When I see little people taking elf and leprechaun roles, it reflects on all of us. It's not
I understand where she's coming from, though.
the role, because in society's eyes, they think that we all look alike and that we're all the same person. And
I don't
we're
think
all
so,
connected
but
to
okay.
each other.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I think you're making it add up.
I know you definitely want the best for me. I get it, but I still need to do things that I really want. I feel like I'm gonna be great.
Sit fast
It's gonna be
the
great. You're gonna
cac.
be the most beautiful elf, Jasmine.
What?
She is not. Her goal was not to be an elf. Dawn is sitting way below the belt.
Way below the belt. Way below.
But this is not the time nor the place to do that.
She will make her own path, and with a head on her shoulders, I don't doubt that will be a great path.
Yeah, I just.
Oh, that's nice.
That path wouldn't be Santa's path.
That kind of fucked Dawn.
Straight down the hall.
Thank you.
We're all independent people. So if I want to be an elf, I'll be a damn elf. Get over it. Yeah,
Okay, well, this is the mentality that you shouldn't have.
I'm sorry, but that's all I would
If you want to do something because you feel like you're limited by it, then don't do it.
We're not affecting you. It has nothing to do with you. It has absolutely nothing to do with you. This is what I do.
Oh,
This fight has nothing to do with our actual jobs. It has everything to do with Dawn not being comfortable as a little person. I'd rather be an actor and be happy than work 9 to 5 and be a total bitch.
I don't like when people judge me and I don't judge them. I don't say anything about what you're doing,
Ooh.
whatever you are doing, or what you're doing, just because I'm not
Good.
here. I don't care. I'm a person. For you to come and
Nice.
and judge me
And say you need to
that we live in the ghetto, we don't. We're just apartment. We have great neighbors. We have great apartment. We worked our ass off.
We live in the ghetto.
Our ass off for this apartment, and I'm proud of it. Me too, because it's nice. And that's all I gotta say. Cheers.
Thank you. All right, suck it up.
We vented, and that's it. Love you, bitch. I'm so glad I have Kristen to vent to. Sometimes Dawn is impossible.
Bro, I'm coming in as not a fan of the show. I don't know that show, so I'm like, this is a lot of drama going on, and I don't know who's the bad. The thing,
That will be a great path.
usually like in shows like that, it's gonna be a bad guy, it's gonna be a good guy, right? You don't know who the good guy is. It's like, okay, and now I know this video is called "Her Being Problematic," so you would assume that the bad guy is her, but hey, you never can trust anyone. So let's go with the snacks. Ugh.
Get over
Get over
it.
it.
Straight down there's the second thing.
Get over it.
The big thing is, let us do our thing. We're not affecting you. It has nothing to do with you. It has absolutely nothing to do with you. This is what I do.
Ooh.
This fight has nothing to do with our actual jobs. It has everything to do with Dawn not being comfortable as a little person.
Okay, let's go. 59-20. F5.
And happy than work 9 to 5 and be a total bitch.
Ooh. So let's see what we're eating tonight. Got hella freaking couch. We got hella. And when I say hella, I do mean hella. Oh shit. We are having another one. Cheers, bitch. We have multiple choice because tonight we're eating chicken wings. Oh, Monster Original. I thought I didn't have any left, but we do. So we have La Cage Buffalo. Don't know if I'm super down with that. You know what? I'm actually down for these. I'm gonna go for barbecue. La Cage barbecue. Good. Look at this. La Cage barbecue, which is finally a French Canadian company, and we do have to promote these. The number, the bag, it does seem small, but I think it's just the way they're doing it. I have a knife nearby. There you go. So we have, when you're using a knife, please be careful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's go, baby. Don't worry. Oops. Don't worry. While we're cooking, we're going to be tasting some food. You're good. Now, also speaking tonight for chips, what we do have is we have the Doritos Parmesan garlic, so we did taste that. And we have the Munster, which again, we did taste. However, we do have... Oh shit, I forgot to check what time. Ugh. I forgot. Damn. We do have our dessert. We do have the dessert. So, for dessert, we're going to be having not one, not two, but three taste tests for chocolate bar. They're all from the same company, which is a company called Milka, and Milka. Now, these are from the Asian stores, so we don't really get them often, so I'm excited to taste these. But they're special. This is Oreos, which a lot of people will say cookies and cream, not Oreos. This is kind of cool. We have white chocolate Oreos. Super excited to taste this. We have Milka. Look at this. Look at the writing, dude. I'm thinking Italian, but I might be wrong. You know what's crazy? I'm going to tell you a secret. Oh, by the way, we have crème et biscuit, which is in French. I don't know what's going on with my algorithm. I don't know what my algorithm is doing, but something crazy is going on because we had an interview with the guy from Mythical Kitchen, which is the reason as to why, because we look up Mythical Morning last week for Stevie departure or announcement of departure. Watching Little Woman in New York, by the way. This is what you're eating in the background. The drama is exquisite. And yeah, so we had the Italian guy that's in charge of Manskin. We started to think to Manskin, and then we had a lot of his video lately. So I don't know why. But hey, shout out to you, my dude. We're gonna go with French parce que je suis français canadien. Je suis un Québécois. On va aller en français, bien sûr, parce que c'est le produit qui est en français. On va faire une revue en français, bien sûr. Ça va être crème biscuit Milka. Ça a l'air succulent. Regarde-moi ça. Le design. Qu'est-ce que j'aime beaucoup ici, c'est que c'est sûr que tu as quelques différences. Mais c'est très minime. C'est très très minime dans le design. Comprends? Parfait. C'est qu'on y va avec biscuit et crème. On écoute Les Petites Femmes de New York. C'est excellent. C'est du bitchage, c'est du drama. C'est excellent. Fait que là, tu vois, le problème qu'on a, c'est que ça a fondu un peu. C'est pas un gros problème, mais on l'a mis trop proche du air fryer. Fait que regarde-moi la qualité, toi. Regarde-moi la qualité. Wow. Wow. Incroyable. Ok. En premier, c'est vraiment bon. c'est que celui-là, premièrement, il est bon. Deuxièmement, mais c'est tellement bon, mais c'est très très complexe comme saveur. Le biscuit en tant que tel, c'est spécial parce que. Comment je pourrais dire ça? La crème, c'est la meilleure. La crème, c'est la meilleure. Je trouve qu'il y a des bonnes qualités. Le biscuit en tant que tel, ça a un biscuit comme une fondation. Puis un biscuit avec du chocolat par-dessus. Mais non, c'est du biscuit en poudre. C'est concassé. C'est vraiment bon. Fait que tu as les trois goûts. Tu as le chocolat, tu as le biscuit, tu as la crème. Chocolat et crème, c'est incroyable. Le biscuit, j'aurais aimé plus de goût. J'aurais aimé beaucoup plus de goût, mais c'est dommage parce que les deux autres sont tellement forts dans le goût que c'est normal que ça soit un petit peu plus discret. Maintenant, on switch pour l'italien. C'est l'italien. Buongiorno. Je sais pas parler italien. So, we'll switch back to Italian because I don't know how to speak in Italian. We'll switch back in English. But what I'm thinking is it's marble chocolate. This is kind of cool. And what is kind of cool here is design. And it might be a coincidence, but if it isn't, if it is on purpose, I absolutely adore that. This is one of the smartest one I saw. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. Look at this. If it is this because of the cow, they want to reproduce a cow spots. This is amazing. So we have our mixture between white chocolate and dark chocolate, which is kind of interesting because you don't see that often. And really good.
And that's a crunch.
Cow spots. Yeah, it's on purpose. It's nice, but it's so complex because it's a really good idea. On purpose, it's a really good idea. White chocolate, the brown chocolate, really good. It's a nice mixture. My only problem with this is that it's so subtle. So, all in all, the chocolate is very good. I like the chocolate. And yes, I want chocolate that you taste. But it's such a majority of dark chocolate that, you know, white chocolate isn't the same. And because you don't really taste the white chocolate, then go ahead and just get dark chocolate. What is the purpose of having a fent of the bar be white chocolate, right? And now we have our last one, which is Oreos. Possibly kept the best for last. And I gotta say, the fact that it's legit Oreo, I'm excited for. It might be a original collab. So, thinking what happened is, Oreos. So what I'm, I don't know if that's true, but I heard, again, look at this, the quality of the chocolates. And what I like here is that each and every one of them had a different freaking size of square. Look at this. Oh wow. Oh. Oh wow. Wow. Chocolate est incroyable. That's pretty nice. Wow. So yeah. I wanted to just leave it there and just say wow. That's what it is. But was it wow? What they did here, which is kind of impressive. How can I put this? They did white chocolate, which is good because it does harmonize with the chocolate pieces of the Oreos. Good. But it's almost as if they put frosting with the white chocolate. That's how good it is. And it really tastes like an Oreo. And that was delicious. From what I understand, when Oreo came out, a lot of people copied them. and they decided to trademark their things. They trademarked the name Oreos, right? So when everybody says cookie and cream, it's legally allowed, which is a loophole. It's a gray zone. But yeah, I feel bad for Oreo because everybody's copying them. Got this. Nice. Ugh, that's so good. That is so good. Original Monster. I misplaced it. I put all of the energy together, all of the energy drink together. But this one. Ugh. Good. That was delicious. They're smelling. The wings are starting to smell. Which usually a sign that they're ready. Oh yeah. Fuck it, let's taste them. I think they're ready though. Oh yeah, look at this. Perfect cooking. Oh, look at the color. Perfect cooking. Oh fuck yeah. It's gonna be delicious. And they're smelling really good. I'm gonna be honest and say I'm not a fan of barbecue sauce. Yeah. Let's taste out the Doritos. We already tested them out, but they're so good. Sorry. Again, Parmesan and garlic, which works, but they're so good. I want to talk about how this, if I remember correctly, they're my favorite Doritos ever. However, we had them once before, so there's a feeling of this is new, this is brand new, I'm excited, versus, hey, we had it before, right? Do better. It's so good. Oh yeah, you're amazing. Wow. But that's only because, of course, the Parmesan and the garlic, of course, but it's more than that. It's the wow. Well, of course, the Parmesan and the garlic, they go well together. You're gonna need more of a taste of Parmesan than the garlic, of course. But all in all, and then the corn with the sweetness of the corn is so good. So we got La Cage au Sport, El Barbecue. C'est un petit peu piquant. Tu vois ici, c'est relevé. Y a-t-il une description? Profitez de la qualité de vos restaurants. C'est la même chose pour tout le monde. Il n'y en a pas. Wow. En plus, je vous avouerai que j'ai passé des années. J'aimerais ça que je fasse des blagues, mais j'ai passé des années à m'entraîner à passer un air fryer. Mais les ailes de poulet au air fryer, c'est incroyable. Ils sont trop chaudes. C'est ça le problème. J'aurais dû les sortir en avant, mais j'ai pas pensé. J'ai pas pensé. C'est le Little Mo in New York. Fuck that. Oh, madame, ma petite sœur. Je te rends. Pardon. Je suis jalouse avec mon repas. Nice. On prend une photo. Douchebag, duck face, let's go. Là, la que ça se refroidit, là, c'est intéressant. Hein? Je vais chanter une chanson. En je me suis mis toute belle dans mon veste à pois. J'aurais aimé que c'est. Non, je ne connais pas. Que tu ne connais pas, que tu ne connais pas. On va mettre une chanson. Enfin, moi, je vais mettre une chanson parce que c'est ça qui m'intéresse. C'est la musique. La musique, c'est la vie. Oh my god, OD. OD, c'est la vie, man. OD, c'est la vie, man. Je me suis mise toute belle dans mon veste à pois. J'aurais voulu être celle qui comprenait pourquoi. Tu comprendrais pourquoi. On entend encore notre trompette. Power on, c'est. Là-bas, deviner, ça va être à très bas comme batterie. Ça marche. Ça marche. Ça marche, ça suffit. Fait qu'encore une fois, on va aller avec 3 accords. Normalement, j'aime ça aller avec les cowboys fringants, mais j'ai le goût de party un petit peu. 3 accords. 3 accords. Dans mon corps. Ça veut dire que c'est prêt. C'est pas prêt parce que là, c'est prêt. Publicité en anglais sur mon contenu francophone québécois, pas down. Pardon. Ça c'est un banger, guys. Ça c'est un banger, mon gars. Ça c'est un banger, mon gars là. Ça c'est classique, mon gars là. Je me suis mis d'elle en passant à toi. Tu es d'être celle que tu ne voyais pas, J'ai des dentelles sur ma veste à pois. Si tu aurais vu laquelle, tu comprendrais pourquoi. Dans mon corps de jeune fille. Dans mon corps de jeune fille, il y a des changements. Et dans mon corps de jeune fille, dans mon corps de jeune fille, il y a des changements. Avec moi, pour venir avec moi. Nous êtes toutes belles, pas chanson. Nous ne restons pas que tu sois sur le pas. Tu dis que c'est que tu me donnes comme ça, quelque chose comme ça, dans mon corps de jeune fille. Dans mon corps de jeune fille, il y a des changements. Et dans mon corps de jeune fille, dans mon corps de jeune fille, il y a des changements. Dans mon corps de jeune fille. Dans mon corps de jeune fille, merci mon le cœur. J'apprécie tes likes, c'est super gentil mon ami. Mais faut que je te dise qu'on va goûter des ailes de poulet. J'ai enfin pensé qu'ils sont assez froides pour qu'on puisse manger, mon ami. Pis c'est ça que je te dis. Thank you, Luke, for the likes. Appreciate you, brother. We'll be eating some chicken wings because they're cold enough. No. Good, good. Là, ça doit être assez frette. On espère.
Don't let this ruin your moment with kids.
Can you just talk to me? Something like that.
Oh, mon Dieu, man.
Uh-oh.
Mm.
When Dawn pulls you aside for a talk, it can't be good.
Sensational.
I feel like, you know,
Incredible.
I always have like
A bit too spicy to my liking. Fait que c'est un peu trop piquant pour moi, sincèrement.
because it hurts.
Mais,
You're too worried about
à côté de la viande, elle est bonne.
You're like,
La sauce, c'est pas salissant.
don't even sit there
Ouais,
and handle it.
fait que c'est bon. Surtout, fait que c'est bon. Est-ce que je changerais? Je mettrais moins piquant. Je prends un gros pan de piquant. Mais c'est vraiment bon. En plus, le produit de par chez nous, il faut qu'on encourage ça. Faut vraiment encourager ça. Vraiment.
Release land
Fait que,
into the sky.
elle, quand je vais au sport, miam, dans le bedon. Ça, mon score, combien sur 10 mon ink? Combien sur 10 mon ink? C'est bon dans ma gueule. Comprends-tu? Combien sur 100 mon ink? C'est yum dans mon estomac. Ok? C'est ça mon score. Ça, merci d'avoir checké mes goûtages de bouffe. Je vous aime. So now, we're gonna have a small problem with the batteries, so I'm gonna have to go move to the couch. Gonna be eating this in peace. Gonna be chilling. Gonna be fun, and that's pretty much it. So come with me. Let me guide you to the sofa. It's a long journey, my friends. It's a long journey, but like every single long journey, at the end, you feel like you accomplished something, and it's rewarding. Do you feel like you accomplished something? Do you feel rewarded for your effort? Yeah, eat. Tonya. So we're gonna be watching more Little Women, because why not? Pourquoi pas? Je me suis mise toute belle dans ma veste à pois. Si tu aurais vu celle laquelle, tu comprendrais pourquoi. Tu comprendrais pourquoi. Dans mon corps de jeune fille. Dans mon corps de jeune fille. Il y a des changements que dans mon corps. All the time. This is the good wire. This is the good wire, guys.
Great. Rule number 1 of girl code.
What?
Throw me under the bus. I haven't done that to her.
Oh,
I fought because I was pretty delicate with him.
Bitch, you need to stay in your lane and handle your business.
the bitch was not necessary, but